ebusuya for me mama kwa abashronko eba too much GH munya ba na ama obusuya eni na dane dano ensem esi ewoye maima na me de enkaebo no e de abramo se na mo nso no mu betimi atibi ewo mu ensem a erichi entisi a kire se eye abranti a oye artist manager Ghana artist wa Gini din oye artist beat se Shata Wale 55 any kofobi ekeka nwa wa manage o matisi ade amanedin at police for enter asonu assign asem bia wode na no ekan ye e radio station na abranti ameka no won asem eye Bulldog and di ankasa na wo for editor no eye Mr. Lawrence Esiama na bra bia etwem no woko okay FM okay FM honom na te se enkomo bia omotwetwe efa ebra bia onya abayama nia police for edin omonsa eso nimu emakopie mu police for akache na o kire se eye investigations koso ate se won be se bisa na numa asem no treatment a won de ema no na ensem fata baku se obi a ya che ne tenke ko bisa na no asem keke no na kai senka o ye treat na suspect keke but na the way wo mu treat no wo kire a ate se wonu po na won beto no so se wo di bon na ate se bon no ogusu a wo di e na omonsa eso nimu na enye fe kra na no e na wo cheche nsem no okokan ye se eya police for wo mu djuma wo mu di se no ekwan yo mo fa so edi wo mu djuma no wo de toto ne ba bema wa wo na te se wedi 9 months pa na ne ba ne crown po no na adwumu edo esen a police for ni anti Ghana police service na e no do mo a hye to abako a wo de wo mo compare ne ba 9 month old boy no
I think say before I was Bulldog no say we are gidi anak pachale o me bobo because nkofo wa no enye obi na wonsa
na wo dean na wo
me woni nyina
no wa no wonsa
yes into ye kasa wo gbegbe no we asumu wo be feel assault dem me plenty assault cases a lot of police stations
inti eba no saying na our previous cell experiences na and sisa Fenix die na e change
okay who say Fenix die no was totally opposite, like minyeshi. Minyeshi, like I've not done anything. They went on to say I threatened, and you see, I can sit here and say, Debi Amaka, my 7-year-old, now I have a younger daughter, or no, on D1, she's wiser than the Ghana police.
Oh, Sessing.
Yes.
Is it that she's better than some of them?
No, I'm coming there. No, I'm coming there. I'm speaking specifically based on my case and my experience. Yes, but the Ghana police handled me. Didn't they handle me? So I'm talking about my case. Maybe the Ghana police did you well. They didn't do me well. So I'm saying my 9 months old baby, or 10 months old baby is wiser than the Ghana police. Because you see, before you pick somebody up, you might have done due diligence, investigation. Let me tell you, Apia, I have been through a lot. You know what I have lost since I went into cell and what I'm still losing till today. People come underneath my comment and say I'm a murderer, I'm this. People don't want to do business with me because they think I have that past.
Bulldog.
Yes, sir.
The court records are there. You were acquitted and discharged.
Okay.
Nobody cares about
that. But this is what I'm saying. Who say imagery? Imagery. Me, I'm very passionate, and that's how I speak. I can't speak any other way. I don't think I can hold a diplomatic office if they want people to come and pretend. I cannot. But if there's a diplomatic office where people speak the truth, I'm sure I'll be a number one candidate. So the way I speak, crowd is, oh yeah, it's true, this guy is violent. Today, if you go somewhere and go and say Bulldog threatened me, don't believe. When the last time I spoke to Fenix was on Peace FM, when the issue came up, they never even came here to even pick up the tape. It was Fenix who actually threatened me online, because I was home when Eugene of Peace FM called me and said Fenix is online speaking about you. So listen.
What was the issue? I never know the issue.
I didn't even have an issue. So that case, and the assembly by. So when I tuned into it, Fenix was on the line saying, I brought dogs from Nima, land guards from Nima, to come and guard Shata Wale on stage. And I prevented Samini from performing. And I said, Fenix, how do you know me? I don't do land guard matter. I have no land. Mentor cement. So you know them. So if so be Dimechi now also a land guard. I don't know the person as a land guard. I know the Nima people you're talking about. These are friends of mine, friends of Shatas. These are community people we will hang around with every show we go. So I'm on me a Langat. I don't know them in that light.
Well,
oh yeah, cause who you are graphic artist. If you do, I go show you something. Even that day, he Fennec pulled the gun. He didn't pull it on me, but he showed me a gun. I don't listen. I don't. If you come to my room and you see a knife, it belongs to my wife.
Bulldog.
The kitchen knife.
Where I would do that okay FM one and no and day information about the police for any woman sa akoson mu art say one more say either say whatever bunting na ensem na wodi ebe tu dwa no wobese stand no every hu na ebiem so no wodi a chopper e dey Ghana Police Service nyamu and na say wobese sign bond say sa disrespectful act na wo put here e wo station so okay FM what say wo kasa fin to a police for ejuma so no wobese say wobese sign bond say onye sa de ni ebiem and say one ka police for won ensem bi na so won go mo ejuma no ehun fidiem na ensem we e be to na Ghana for ka say Bulldog ye fanye no no pe kasa dodo de bia da na no cho baby obe bia cho no oka de bia da ensem fofofunu numba ensem bi obeka bia so ensem wo ho na no ada okoka say ye ma wo we oba de na sade ne so de bia da wo she kitchen te say kitchen na oba o fata se ware no on tra no nkofo ka say odigu mba ho fi wo ka te say ma ni te say ma enye important enough ma enni kwan so metima ye adwuma e de ebustu o man kasa almost self esteem na nti oba de kitchen class na ye na nanom kan sa na wo ke bi nti ta asem no krampo no Ghana for any omo te say wo mo ne no anya agenda dodo na etwe wo ma no gu no so eya na te say de nim se wo beba bontimpo abezisa na no wan no wo chechie mu ene no wo ho kwan wo ne nti asemu ene wo oka asa asemu nti enja no nka na we die wakoka kan me say de na no na yinika do wakoka no ye nka a police for be ko nia ene wo de onano akoko masma say ade no ho aba asemi na nka wo de police ni a wo be che wa wo ne wo stage one nka to handle that way na one feel good about it nka bet me body din I can want some aka say wo ne wo de ne toto wo ba 9-month-old bobi na wo kan wo sit the whole Ghana Police Service na pata say dwuma ko ni nia ene be gu no fi enu nti ene le say ade de ye ka say na no eyinika omo de omo sa abeso ni na Ghana 14 semwe say na mechanical no omo fa nye no na se wo se fata ne de bebe bia no ye fendi ni sa ebi so ka say ne kwan so no na Ghana Police for kwampo no de bia da ye de monim etwi fom mo kwan ya te say mo de nam so mo ni nipa dele mo so ya mo say the police is your friend, the police is your friend a different attitude so na mo show you in conformity so aka na odika e say the police for de bia da de mo amba say mo ba asem na asem kwa e wo mu se na asem ti so mo ntwempo any investigations enkom ehun say asem sen na esite yenya chiwa ya kato so say we say na ni afa so edwitu Ghana for do na to mo experience with police for just say wo mo adu mani asem no kwa e kato mo so na enukare bia mpo enim etu ba wie ni eja ho kwa we ma o hwe ye refa ne hwe ma he nkofo egu reminder besi na ye nkom asem enwie nti say Bulldog e kan bibisa na wodika na ne nie mu no ye hwe some of the comments aba e figure na for wa wo mo dwen e fa eye de e koso e wo Bulldog abrabo mu sesia we da me di edi kan efficiency was say this is funny. This guy thinks he owns the whole of Ghana. Everywhere he goes, he just opens his mouth and talks anyhow. This time around, he has to be responsible for what he said. And also, no. Minfa we stood there with the Anita ho I'll say, I promise this guy is not going to talk about police again. He said it once in another station about how police treated him when Fennec died and he was allegedly claimed to be the one who killed him. But still, saying that the police is just like your 9-month-old baby doesn't really bring out anything good from what he said. One also asked her na dream. Hey, yemfa Philip dear so what they aba e wa say I am laughing sir. This Bulldog, until he shaves his head and his beard, he will never learn sense. Until he say ni tina efunu na bodwo na efunu go sit da wo bedwiri ni egu no se nyansa ni ndie pa de wan na ebi emma ni tim ehwi na kata ni nya eso elunti na no ho aba asem tesia no wesu efi William say Bulldog hasn't done anything wrong with what he said. really, Ghana police need to learn the truth the hard way. They should stand up in their work and do it diligently. Ono so adeni about him so supported Bulldog nin some or kaya pa or see no cran war no cry war one there and no cran no ya ya mum nan so ye catch ba nye say ye good ye di gu mfi ye kama obofu ye ka show den say sorry na ye adwuma ni ye na ya kanti na oba be chi no bi ma na there na wo pa atwe e wo home Ophelia so essay why has he been arrested? I beg, what about the Obinims and the Reverend Obafos walking on the street free? Please, leave Bulldog's matter. He just spoke. What about those doing the action? Go and arrest them rather. Or not someone say, a Bulldog na yachino no, and Fasobia eniso, the police for a pen for a machoma, one for many enter as so far. Yabubo Mudi and woman numa, Yaka atu omusla, Yan Shada effect to say, a police for Shadan cash in far and one no a year. Way esu efi rima was saying. Ha ha ha, Bulldog pa, your 9-month-old baby is wiser than police. How did you create this in your mind? Also, say a Bruna Jane and an entire Bulldog. It's me, imagine and send about within 9 months to power 100 crackers after one cassa. What me now, Jane and then dear essay police for only say where they yakase pa and a Bulldog. What they aya a police for nia. Na did you know? Na me be south so then now Jane a yo fa a the air cost to say say Bulldog a police for abetchin a sign and some of coca efa woman home okay FM. They will dream for who be a fatu dry. I was too much GH your comment session. If you want to know a man referee say who quine say video way you share a diama will be on all the social media platform. Follow our Instagram at @TumaGH_. Midin de nana ama usa makramu.